I like that. That's a good idea to just have a little blow through the window so you didn't have to tear anything out.
They put me in the yeah, I got two Skar SDR 10s and a 2-to-1 6th order on a single RP 1500.1.
Okay.
Back chambers tuned to 20, front 45.
Oh, wow. I like that. That's a good idea to just have a little blow through the window so you didn't have to tear anything out.
They put me in the trunk class.
You did?
Because it's not in the cab and it's not cut through the cab.
That's pretty sweet.
Yeah, I did a 143.1 at 27.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So plays it pretty well.
So what is this amplifier to?
1 ohm.
1 ohm. Okay. And you built the box?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you know the specs of the box?
Yeah, back chambers, 3 cubes, front 6, like around 6.
6. Okay.
Pretty close.
All right. And what did you tune peak to?
Peaks at 27.
27.
Open, so,
okay.
yeah.
Awesome.
It's
All right.
louder around like 35.
Yes.
So.
Okay. All right.
Tell my hater I said pussy. Tell your bitch I said
Clip City Productions.
I appreciate it.
Hey, that's good, man.
No problem.
That's excellent. Thanks for the demo. Nice to meet you,
welcome.
man. What was your name again?
Kobe.
Kobe. Okay. Is there a way I can see the back of the box just for the video?
Yeah.
Check it out.
I can open it. I think it's on
That was musical, dude. That Lowe's was really sounded really good, man.
At 27.
Awesome.
All
All
right.
right.
Down to like 18 with one window open.
Really?
Yeah. Subs don't like it. But
They don't. Oh yeah. They don't like it, but the box is built for it.
Yeah.
So yeah. All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna raise the tuning.
You are? Okay.
It's got a little moving brace. It's
All
just
right.
pushed right up against it.
So that's a good idea, and you have the camper, so you don't have to really worry about leaks.
Yeah, I've got it silicone around the back window.
Okay.
And give me an hour, I can take it all out. if I
Well,
needed to.
nice. All right. So Good idea. Nice to meet you, man. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.